Today we are doing a super cool science trick. We are going to make this balloon blow up without using our breath.
What? Balloons only blow up when you puff puff.
Not this time. We'll let science do the puffing for us. Step 1. Vinegar in the bottle. Step 2. Baking soda in the balloon. Now comes the fun part.
It looks like a sleeping balloon.
Shh! It's about to wake up. Ready?
Oh, it's growing. It's blowing up.
That's carbon dioxide gas doing the magic. When vinegar and baking soda mix, they make bubbles of gas that fill the balloon.
So the balloon got full. Just from science?
Yes,